Hemant Mane. I am currently working as a Scrum Master. I have total 17 years of experience where I have played various roles like Project Manager, QA Manager, Scrum Master. So right now I am working as a Scrum Master. I cleared it on 7th of May this year. So just in this month. With CPDOC program as overall is has been very nice. So we had a very good trainer, Mr. Prashant Beniwal. He loves to teaching. The course curriculum itself is very good. I, being a Scrum Master, always wanted to learn the DevOps tools and technologies because see, DevOps and Agile go hand in hand. DevOps wants us speed as well as quality. Sorry, Agile wants us speed as well as quality, and DevOps is the only thing which can provide it to you. So they are complementary to each other. As I was already working in Agile, I wanted to get some hands-on experience in DevOps, and this course provided me just that. Indeed, it is actually 100% hands-on course. So when we say course or workshop, it is most like a slideshow of 90% time, and 10% time we get to do actual hands-on. But this course is exactly reverse of that. We have slides also, but those are the time spent in those slides was very less compared to the time that we spent in actual hands-on. And this is a 3-day program, and in 3 days we touched each phase of the DevOps cycle, one tool per phase. This has been a really good overview and understanding of the DevOps because we know what DevOps is actually at the theoretical level, but actually experiencing DevOps it would have not been possible without this course. So within the short span of 3 days, we got to know many tools, and sometimes it was overwhelming, but our interest and Prashant's support and guidance got us through. Definitely. In fact, I have already recommended it to some of my close friends. This program, I have not seen any such program which will give you overview within such a short span of time and expose you to so many tools. So this will give you a big picture of the DevOps. We might learn about a single tool in silos, but here we got to see the actual big picture, and we actually executed one complete DevOps cycle in our 3 days course. So yes, I would definitely recommend it to my friends and colleagues. Learning is one thing, then traveling and going out for to visit various food joints. I'm a foodie actually, so going out, having food with my friends and mainly with family, and visiting many places actually, traveling, that is my hobby. So currently due to COVID it is not possible. That's a different story, but yes, those are my hobbies. As I said, this course is a unique course where you will get a flavor of each tool within the DevOps cycle. So I could not find such course. Each tool in this course is a big topic in itself, but within these 3 days, you will get to know the things, and the overall cycle is very clear in your mind. So I do not think that is possible elsewhere.